How to subtract polynomials correctly in algebra. Imagine you have two big piles of number expressions, and you want to find out what remains when you take one away from the other. That's what subtracting polynomials is all about. It might seem tricky at first, but once you understand the steps, it becomes straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First, you need to write both polynomials in what's called standard form. That means arranging all the terms from the highest degree to the lowest degree. For example, if you have three terms like 3x squared, 5x, and to write them in that order. This makes it easier to see which terms to combine later. Next, decide whether you want to write the polynomials side by side or stack them vertically. Either way works, but stacking them can help keep everything clear. Just make sure the polynomial you are subtracting is clearly indicated, usually with a minus sign in front. Now here's the most important part. Change the signs of every term in the second polynomial. If a term is positive, make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive. This step turns subtraction into addition, which is easier to handle. For example, if the second polynomial is for x minus 10y plus 15z, change it to negative for x plus 10y minus 15z. After changing the signs, combine like terms. These are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. For example, all the x squared terms go together, all the terms go together, and all the constant numbers go together. This way, you are grouping similar pieces to simplify the expression. Finally, add the like terms together. For example, if you have 5x and you subtract for x, the result is 1x. If you have 8y and add 10y, you get 18y for the z terms. If you have negative 20z and subtract 15z, you get negative 35z. The result is a new polynomial with combined terms. Let's look at a quick example. Suppose you want to subtract for x minus 10y plus 15z from 5x plus 8y minus 20z. Write it as 5x plus 8y minus 20z minus for x plus 10y minus 15z. Change signs of the second polynomial. 5x plus 8y minus 20z minus for x plus 10y minus 15z. Now group the like terms. 5x minus for x plus ay plus 10y plus minus 20z minus 15z. Calculate each group. 1x, 18y, and negative 35z. So, the answer is 1x plus 18y minus 35z. Remember, whether you do this horizontally or vertically, the process stays the same. The key is to change the signs of the second polynomial and then carefully combine like terms. This method helps you avoid mistakes, like forgetting to flip the signs or mixing up the terms. Mastering subtraction of polynomials is a big step toward understanding more advanced algebra topics like factoring and solving polynomial equations. Keep practicing, and it will become second nature.